2023 Chevrolet Tahoe. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.